The Bosch RA1171 Router Table features a cabinet-style design with a smooth laminated work surface for precision woodworking, making it an ideal benchtop solution for any workshop. The cabinet-style construction is ideal for stability, storage, and dust collection. Its rigid aluminum router mounting plate is pre-drilled for compatibility with a variety of routers and for above-table height adjustment with many common routers. The tall fence handles taller stock, and adjustable MDF faceplates and featherboards maximize precision and versatility. It also features a dust collection port at the fence and one at the cabinet, for maximum dust management. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Support. The tall aluminum fence measuring 4 7/8 inch by 25 and 1/8 inches can handle tall stock with ease. The fence is complete with adjustable MDF faceplates for smoother operation, with taller workpieces, and outfeed can be offset for jointing. Number 2. Precision. The Bosch RA1171 features a rigid aluminum router mounting plate that stays flat and precise for accuracy. For added versatility, it's pre-drilled to fit a variety of routers. Number 3. Easy to use. 2 easy-to-use featherboards attached to fence and router table, providing additional guidance and protection against kickback. They're fully adjustable to fit a variety of workpieces. Accessory slot accepts additional featherboards and 3/4 inch optional accessories such as miter gauge. Number 4. Cleanup. With a cabinet-style design, the RA1171 is able to feature 2 dust collection ports for removing any job site dust and debris. The dust collections ports fit standard 2.5-inch vacuum hoses. Number 5. Convenience. Featuring a dual outlet switch with 6 feet power cord. Includes benchtop router table, aluminum router mounting plate, 3x mounting plate rings, mounting hardware, 2x adjustable featherboards, adjustable clear guard, starter pin and guard, and 2x outfeed fence shims. Number 6. Cabinet-style design. Ideal for stability, storage, and dust containment. Number 7. Aluminum mounting plate. Pre-drilled for compatibility with a variety of routers and for above-table height adjustment with some routers. Number 8. Extra tall aluminum fence. With adjustable MDF faceplates and featherboards to maximize precision and versatility. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Compatible with Skill router? Answer. Yes, the RA1171 is compatible with Skill routers. Question number 2. Will this table router be compatible out of the box with DeWalt DCW600B? Answer. The Bosch RA1181 and RA1171 are compatible with DeWalt's few fixed base models, which are DW616 and DW618 only. Question number 3. What adapter allows a vac that takes 1 7/8 accessories to connect to the dust port on the back of the table? Answer. The RA1171 has a standard 2.5 inches dust port. We only offer the VAC 004, which connects 35mm hoses to the 2.5 inches port. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.